Hello, good evening students. In this video, we will see the proof of trigonometric identities. In previous video, we have seen that there are three fundamental trigonometric identities. Now we'll see their proof one by one. So see in this video, I have drawn a right angle triangle ABC in which angle B is right. Now suppose this angle is theta. You can take this angle as A, but I am taking this angle as theta. इसको मैं theta ले रहा हूँ and I am standing from here. So if I see from here, then this side is perpendicular, this side is base and this is hypotenuse, you already know. Now for derivation of trigonometric identities, we will use Pythagoras theorem, and you know Pythagoras theorem, it is applied for any right angled triangle. So for this right angle, I am writing Pythagoras theorem. So for this triangle, as you know, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Right? It is Pythagoras theorem. Now write all trigonometric ratios for this angle theta. इस एंगल थीटा के लिए सारे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज मैं लिख रहा हूं. फॉर दिस एंगल सी साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर बाई हाइपोटेन्यूज मीन्स BC बाई AC. कॉस थीटा बेस बाई हाइपोटेन्यूज मीन्स AB बाई AC. टेन theta is perpendicular by base means BC by AB. In the same way you can write three other trigonometric ratios. Cot theta हम लिख सकते हैं, it is reciprocal of tan theta. Directly you can write from here AB by BC. By definition you can write and by formula you can write. And sec theta reciprocal of cos theta, that is AC by AB, and cosec theta, that is reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of sin theta, it will be AC by BC. So just make a right angle triangle and write this Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides, and then write trigonometric ratios for this angle theta. सारे trigonometric ratio मैंने लिख दिए इस एंगल थीटा के लिए. Now again write Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. It is an equation. Now dividing both sides by AC square. In any equation we can divide both sides by same number. We can multiply by same number. We can add same number. We can subtract same number. So I am dividing both side of this equation by AC square. दोनों साइड में AC स्क्वायर से डिवाइड कर रहा हूं. देखिए AC स्क्वायर बाई AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर अपॉन AC स्क्वायर. सो अगेन वी कैन राइट AC स्क्वायर अपॉन AC स्क्वायर. इसको देखिए AC स्क्वायर इसे डिवाइड करेंगे देन AB square upon AC square plus BC square upon AC square. A plus B by 2, so it is A by 2 and B by 2. In the same way 1 is equal to AC square by AC square, it is what? 1. Now this can be written as AB by AC whole square. X square upon Y square है तो आप इसको XY का whole square लिख सकते हैं, plus BC upon AC square. Now see from here, ऊपर से देखिए यहाँ पे you have written all trigonometric ratios for this triangle. So 1 is equal to AB by AC. अब देखिए AB by AC क्या है? AB by AC is cos theta. तो this is what? Cos theta whole square. Then see what is BC by AC. ऊपर देखिए BC by AC क्या है? BC by AC is sin theta. So it is sin theta whole square. So 1 is equal to, in trigonometry, cos theta whole square means it is written as cos square theta. Sin theta whole square means in trigonometry it is written as sin square theta. So this first identity you can get, you can write this identity in this way: sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is first identity and its proof, right? इस आइडेंटिटी को आप ऐसे करके, if x equal to y then y is equal to x, you can write in this way. Now we'll see the proof of another identity by the same equation and same figure. फिगर यही रहेगी और देखिए, I am giving you the proof of second identity. Now the figure is same. Again I am making this figure. This angle is theta, it is A, and this is C point, and trigonometric ratio आपको पता होना चाहिए. You have written, again I am writing for your convenience. Sin theta is equal to BC by AC. Cos theta is equal to AB by AC. Tan theta is equal to BC by AB, right? And other ratios you can write. Cot theta is equal to AB by BC. Sec theta is equal to AC by AB, and cosec theta is equal to AC by BC, right? Again by using Pythagoras theorem, write theorem here: AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? Now this time dividing both side by AB square. दोनों साइड आप AB स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करें. डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड बाई AB स्क्वायर. सो दिस साइड LHS में डिवाइड कर रहा हूं मैं AB स्क्वायर से. AB स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर अपॉन AB स्क्वायर, राइट? सो इट इज व्हाट? AC स्क्वायर अपॉन AB स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे इट विल बी डिवाइडेड, AB स्क्वायर को AB स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करेंगे एंड BC स्क्वायर इज टू बी डिवाइडेड बाई AB स्क्वायर. सो इट विल बी AB स्क्वायर अपॉन AB स्क्वायर plus BC square upon AB square, right? This can be written as AC by AB whole square. It is AB by AB whole square, and this is BC by AB whole square, right? Now see what are these ratios. AC by AB क्या है? Just see above. What is AC by AB? See here. AC by AB is sec theta, right? So AC by AB is sec theta, means sec theta whole square. Then AB by AB, it will be 1 square means 1, plus BC by AB. See here BC by AB. BC by AB is what? It is tan theta. So tan theta whole square, and you can write sec square theta. Sec theta whole square means sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. It is second identity, right? In the same way, you just try to do it yourself. Write Pythagoras theorem again. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and this time divide by BC square. Dividing both side by BC square. दोनों तरफ BC स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करिए एंड यू विल गेट दिस आइडेंटिटी. कॉसेक स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा. ये आपको मिल जाएगा. यू जस्ट ट्राई इट बाय योर सेल्फ. जस्ट ट्राई एंड यू विल गेट दिस थर्ड आइडेंटिटी. अगेन there are three sides, and by Pythagoras theorem we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and dividing 1 by 1 squares of all three sides, we can get 3 trigonometric identities. तीनों ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज आपको मिल जाएंगी. AC स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करिए, पहली आइडेंटिटी मिलेगी. देन डिवाइडेड बाई AB स्क्वायर, यू विल गेट सेकेंड आइडेंटिटी. Then divide this equation, this Pythagoras theorem equation, by BC square and you will get the third identity, right? This is the proof of all these three identities. So by this I am ending this video. Thank you very much for listening to me.